Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Tonight we are participating in a collaboration hosted by Jim of Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Tonight everything's about pickles. So search for the hashtag feeling picklish and you'll be able to see the other contributors to this fine collaboration. What we're doing tonight is dill pickle fried chicken and some dill pickle soup, because man can't live on dill pickle fried chicken alone, right? So we've already done some work, did it last night, got the marinade together for our dill pickle fried chicken. And you can see it right here. So here we are on Pickle Chicken Eve. We need to get our brine together so these fine, succulent chicken thighs can soak that stuff up all night. So, first, you get yourself a good brand of pickles. We love this brand here, whatever the hell that is. Grillo pickles. Try not to spill all your juice because you need it. So, I need about a half a cup of juice. Alrighty, got my pickle juice. Into a bowl it goes. After cleaning up my pickle juice disaster, in goes a third of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, a third of a cup minus that right there. Things are not going well this afternoon. To that, 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. That went okay at least. And about 6 cloves worth of minced garlic. We shall get all of that fine ingredients whipped up. Ooh. Smell of that mustard and the pickles together. Now we're going to add about a pinch of red chili flakes. If you pour them into your hand and then squish them with your finger, they'll release more oils, a little bit more flavor. And then that goes in with your chicken. I've already got 8 chicken thighs in here in a Ziploc bag. All right, we'll get that worked around, get it chucked in the refrigerator. We'll see you tomorrow when it's time to take these out and do the next step. All right, so that's what we did last night to get the chicken ready. Now all we got to do today is get it battered. So let's get to work on the soup. I'll tell you that the fellow citizens of the Oasis are excited about the chicken. They're a little skeptical about the soup. But all the ingredients of the soup is stuff we like, so I think it's going to work. We'll find out. So behind me, I have a Dutch oven. You can use a large saucepan if you want, but looking at these ingredients, I want to make sure I have room, so using the Dutch oven. You can also see that there's a lot of ingredients here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 ingredients for this soup. So there's no way I'm going to remember what the amounts are. I set everything out ahead of time. So as always, loyal viewers, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the description section. So check that out. And if I say some amount out loud, don't believe me. Don't believe me. Check it out down below. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I can tell you that this is 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter. That is going into the Dutch oven. Dutch oven's going to medium-high heat. Now I'll tell you, looking at this recipe, 17, 18 ingredients, whatever I said. Yeah, so there's a bit of prep to do.
Warning, warning, a production incident has occurred. Warning, warning, a production incident has occurred.
But once you have all this ready, it's going to go pretty quickly. Probably about 30 minutes or so to make that soup. Once that butter's pretty much melted, you can go in with your onions. 1 finely diced sweet onion. I set an amount there, but you can trust that one. I can count to 1. We're going to cook that for 3 to 5 minutes until the onion's good and translucent. Alrighty, onion's been going for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the garlic and cook that for about a minute. Now I'm going to whisk in the flour and the white wine and the chicken broth. Now we're going to add all the rest of the ingredients with the exception of the milk and the sour cream. So, in goes my diced pickles, my sugar and salt, my fresh dill and distilled white vinegar, my white pepper and curry powder, some Watch Your Sister shower sauce, and bay leaves. Now we're going to give that a good stir, bring this up to a boil, and let it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. As that is going on, let's get our dredging station together for our chicken. I'm going to take 2 extremely young boneless chickens and put them in a bowl. Along with that goes about a cup of milk, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of your favorite seasoning. We're using a local brand here, Green Chili Smokehouse Hatch Green Chili Rub seasoning. Very good stuff. We'll get all that whisked together. Then in a Ziploc bag, I'm going to get about a cup of flour. And to that flour, we'll add a teaspoon of the garlic powder and a teaspoon of the Hatch Green Chili Rub. All right, got 8 chicken thighs here. I reckon my fryer can handle about 4 at a time. So I'm going to get 2 of the chicken thighs and get them into the milk egg mixture. I'm going to let them sit there for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, a work emergency has happened, so the director is going to take over from here. So, after boiling for 3 to 5 minutes, the soup comes down to a simmer, and then right before you serve it, you stir in your milk and your sour cream. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Take the bay leaves out before you stir those in. Makes life easier. The chicken, like you make normal fried chicken. Put it in the goop, put it in the flour, put it in the goop, put it in the flour, put it in the fryer. The director will take you from here.
Yeah. Once again, the director's getting shafted. Okay, we're just going to stab it and see if we're up to temperature or if we need to go a little bit longer. Looks like we're going to go in for another 3 minutes.
Okay, chicken's pretty much done. Let's finish up the soup. So it's been simmering. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of milk. And then I'm going to stir in a half a cup of sour cream. We'll get that all well mixed. Then we're ready for the judgment of the director. Alrighty, for our hashtag Feelin' Picklish collaboration, the director is going to give us judgment. So what are you trying first, the soup or the chicken? The soup, okay. The dill pickle soup.
Interesting. You can definitely taste the pickles.
Mm-hmm.
Not terrible.
All right. Do you feel bad for feeling skeptical about it?
Yeah,
All right. Dill pickle soup has a thumbs up.
I like it.
Now the dill pickle chicken. First question, how's it taste?
Tastes good.
Do you get any of the dill pickle?
Lots of hints in the meat. Yeah, not much. Good chicken though.
All right. Well, there we go. Hey, dill pickle soup, dill pickle chicken. Hashtag Feelin' Picklish. Give those other channels a try. Thank you, Jim, from Jim's Kitsch Kitchen for hosting this collaboration. Till we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.
Okay, shut up. I don't care.